So this is very awkward concept that we have only the 6 value. If we increase the value like this way, maybe this value and maybe this value, so it will only show the 5 value, mean to say less than 6 mean the 5th index, until the 5th index we cannot see this value, so we have to keep updating this condition. So this is very awkward. So why not there should be a method available that dynamically identify that how much the length of the array. So the method is name as count. Count is the method, we have to pass the array, so it will just count the length of the array and give as an integer value. So why not I will replace this value with that. Simple. So anytime if I decline the value like this way, so it will just automatically adjust the array. Otherwise it will get you confused that how we can keep this updated value. So this is the for loop phenomena. You can do it in a while loop as well, as we discussed in the while loop. So how we can discuss in the while loop? So you have a initialization value, that is I is equals to 0, while I will make a condition here, while I less than equal, not equal, sorry. In the array we are not discussing equal here. So count then a. So it does mean that, hey, I have a I value that's starting from 0 and you have to keep it less than counting of the array. Okay, so don't be confused yourself. I'm just going to make a space here. This is the while parenthesis and this is the count parenthesis, and this is our condition, right? So the body of the loop, if you want to show the value, let's suppose I, and you can also make a HR here to show the, or maybe PR. And what does it mean? It will be an infinite loop. That's why I'm referring to the for loop, because I just forget to put the increment operator always. So that's why I'm just referring to the for loop. Okay, so now the same output will be in this area, but the same output is not referring to this. What is the error here? What is the error here? I is 0. I'm just printing the index. I'm not printing the value of a. So this is the another concept. If you put I only, so it will give you I value. But if you AI, so it means that 0, 1 of this value. So now the value will be pop up like this way. So next, move on to the next array. This is called numeric array. This is called numeric array, in which indexes are labeled as integer value. Okay, label as, I mean to say integer value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I have an array, let's suppose I have an array of user, and I say that I have the detail of user, like their first name and their last name and their phone number. Okay, and as well as their any kind of other information like email address. So how I can identify that Moiz is the first name and Iqbal is the last name and this is the phone number and this is the email address. So this is very difficult to identify that, because it is referred to 0 index, it is referred to 1, this is indexed to 2, and this is 3. Total length is 4, the last index is 3. Okay, so if I refer this with that, like I just print here user and user, so it will give me all the detail of the user, but I don't know why Moiz is coming for, I mean to say, what is this name, a first name or last name? What is this number? Is there CNIC number or phone number? So we have to keep the label. We have to keep the label. So we have another array available which is named as associative array. I will discuss it in the new video.